Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pasg token. Ticker symbol is PASG. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Pasg token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token will be listed September 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PASG, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find all the information at pasg.io. That is their official webpage. I'm going to put their Twitter up here as well so you guys can easily find that. And they have a full white paper on their webpage as well. pasg.io/white paper. So the Pasg journey began all the way back in 2017 as Enva Division, a creative agency focused on designing custom environments for brands across digital entertainment and retail. These digital environments allowed clients to view, test, and interact with real-world displays in 3D before they were actually built. This made the creative build easier and cheaper, giving teams better tools to put their ideas into action. Through our work with brands like Warner Brothers Studios, Capitol Records, the Dallas Cowboys, Red Bull, Amazon Studios, and American Girl, we quickly saw the broader potential for these environments as a new frontier of digital experience began to take shape before us. As the global pandemic forced brands to think differently in 2020, Pasg became the solution to meet their evolving needs. During this time, we honed in on creating fun, immersive digital environments that helped our clients connect with and engage with their audiences. So the rise of the metaverse. So we don't need to go over what a metaverse is or what NFTs are, but they'll tell you about that on their page here. They also go through the future of the metaverse and the creator economy, etc. Talking about the emerging demand for games. So let's skip down to their core beliefs here. It says, we've been drawn to social and digital platforms by corporations that don't care how addicting they are. So as long as they monetize our data, this has left many people feeling exploited. Platforms like Pasg must take care of their user base by encouraging them toward real human connection and in-person experiences. Through much of our life is online. We still eat and breathe in the real world, but platforms that drive users to spend countless hours online are going to fail in the long term as people seek to quit their addictions. Our 10-year vision is to expand our creator tools to enable the gamification of leaving the computer screen and participating in real-world experiences. Even now, we began to lay the bricks of our thesis through partnerships with projects that have real-world participation. And then they have, roadmap on here as well. So first they're starting with NFTs, Pasg dashboard front-end reveal. Then they're going to have NFT staking. The relationship protocol code was complete. Marketplace auctions code complete. Marketplace offer codes. Marketplace UI redesign. And that was in 2022. And then this year they started with the Pasg dashboard closed alpha. Pasg indexer, Pasg dashboard, enter worlds via dashboard, world builder. And then Q3 this year, kind of where we're at right now, is the PSG token public sale, world builder, on-demand scaling, cross-chain NFT integration, open applications for world partners, Pasg chain mainnet launch, plugin integration, and then we got Q4 coming up, the Pasg dashboard closed beta, Pasg memberships, subscriptions, badges, achievement system, and then next year, downloadable world builder, dashboard, humanoid avatar system, integration of strange clan and hua hua avatars. Then we have importing owned assets, platform gamification, mobile experience, multiple avatar layouts, Unreal SDK, co-op building, Pasg distributed ads, marketplace Pasg integration, and a cache integration. So they go over the whole Pasg ecosystem and world building 101, so how you can create within the metaverse with the NFTs, with the avatar. So the Pasg experience starts with a familiar 2D interface, and from there, users can discover and access immersive 3D worlds. So it's built on Cosmos, blockchain agnostic. They have the dashboard, all sorts of cool things that you can check out on here. But specifically about the token, it's a utility token with the following purposes. So governance. Users or holders can vote on proposals, make decisions related to the platform and the direction and development of the project. It's a decentralized asset management token, incentivizing open source contributions. There's staking and payment for platform services. So within the governance process, there's proposal submissions, discussion, voting, and then execution. So you can check all this out on their white paper, which you can find at pasg.io. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global. So check out the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.